What's going on, crypto fam? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to Daily Grind Trader. Today's video, looking into the metaverse. We're going to look at a couple gaming coins that I think have huge potential still. Even though they've ran up very hard recently, there's still huge potential, and they have the potential to be a hedge against the bear market. We're going to get into Sandbox, Mana, and take a look at Bitcoin to see the general market trend. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I share technical analysis and I hope you guys enjoy it. But we're going to hop right into Bitcoin. And Bitcoin on the 4-hour looks like it's gaining some strength. But please be aware that this trend line, this trend line support, that was a support here in September, and support here in July when we finally broke up. And then broke up again. This has the potential for a retest rejection. If this runs up and hits this and rejects off, we could sell back down and we could be trading at this wick area. We could be trading between 44 and 42,000 in this area here if this rejects. So while I do like the way this looks, this was a ended up being kind of a nice ascending triangle that broke up. So that did show some strength. It was a kind of a, actually it was more of a bear flag, but it broke to the upside, which was actually really good. I'm still not convinced yet that we get beyond this old trend line support. I think we retest the 618 line. I think this comes down a little bit, retest 618 around 50,600. Is that where it's at? 5615. I think we retest there. And then if we hold this as a support, we blast off and we should be pushing towards this trend line support. I hope it doesn't turn resistance. I hope this does not do a resistance support flip, because that would be a very tough line to break at that point. And if we're looking on the weekly, we're gonna zoom way out. You can see this week is already going green. This week is picking up some momentum, which is really good. We're sitting at 51,000 right now. We need to get to 52,461. 52,460 is where we need to be for the 20-week EMA or 20-week SMA. That's the trend line support, or that's the bull market support line, the 20-week moving average. Guys, I'm not going to go too deep into Bitcoin because every analyst out there has made a Bitcoin bull, bear, whatever video. I don't know that we are in a bear market, so to speak, yet, but we are definitely in bear country. We're definitely in bear territory. The bears might be waking up on us. I'm not sure on that. No one's for sure. But I do know that we need to regain this trend line and we need to regain the 20-week moving average to be comfortable back in bull territory. In full disclosure, my money is currently in stable coins because I don't know which way I'm going to go. If we reject off this line, I'll short, and I'll start making videos to show you guys how to short in a bear market and be profitable shorting. If we break this and hold it, then we're going bullish again. That's all there is to it. We've got it right now. I'm going to sit and wait. I don't have any crystal ball. I think that this line needs to be regained, and the 20-week moving average needs to be regained. Simple as that. Now, taking a look at Mana. Mana is a coin that I really like, and I'm really getting into gaming coins. I want to make a gaming video. I have tested a new game, a blockchain game. It's on the Engine blockchain. Throw a comment in this video, please. Throw a comment. Let me know what you think. If you want to see some gameplay video and about how to get started, how to get your wallet set up, how to start the game, how to buy the game, all that good stuff. So I want to make it, but I just don't want to do it if no one's really interested in it. We're going to go into Mana now. Man, we saw the big run up here in October, and then we quickly got a 618 retrace here. So then we had a new run. So this new run up here has also retraced to 618, but it dipped all the way down this wick. I'm not going to let that wick fool me. It reclaimed 618. The 618 line has been holding here for, it bought all the way back above it and hit it, then hit it again, held it, and now it's holding again. So this 618 line at $3.62 has been a pretty stable line of support with wicks under, obviously, and it wicked below here, and it wicked back to this trend line support. Now the trend line support for mana is hard to draw because it's only got really the initial touch and then one touch here. You can make this move however you want and say it touched here or touched there. I'm going to line it up with the 50-day MA. That's where I think right now the support band for mana is. What I'm looking for mana is going to be a break of this downward channel and then a break above the 50% Fibonacci line. Break, retest, break again. That's what I'm looking for. That's what my entry requirement would be, because this needs to have a very strong move to be able to keep its move going even if Bitcoin doesn't make its move finish. Bitcoin is still holding me back right now to make any moves. I would love to have bought mana in this position here. I did get it at like 280 and I sold the next day at like $4 even. So I made a nice profit there, but I was concerned that the dip was going to bleed back down to the wick level, because typically we get that a lot. We get a lot of times where we get a deep wick, it'll buy right back up, and then we'll bleed back down to where that wick to. It didn't happen, thankfully, but I was concerned, so I got out of the trade quickly. Break this channel, break the 50% line, and hope that Bitcoin doesn't betray us. And we're going to take a look at Sand, and Sand is very similar. Broke way down and bought right back up, but it bought back up and it held the 50% line instead of the 618. So outside of that small difference, it's very similar. We're waiting for a break of this channel and a break of the 382. And we're going to wait for a break and confirmation of the break to hold that support resistance flip. This is going to have to break out, and the 382 is going to have to be a support flip. So you're going to have support around $6.03. And once that's been established as support, then we should get a good blast off. We should get good lift off and be able to be in a position to buy. And let's just say for SNGs, we take a look at this. We're looking at an $11 to $15 range if the bull market continues. This is the range I'd be looking at for now. I'm not going to say end of year, because I think if we are in a bull market, then that means we are very much in an extended bull market, and we're looking at February, March now, honestly, for these target prices. So guys, that's it for today. That's the video. Actually, you know what? That's not it yet, because we're going to do the same thing for mana. We'll look between 7 and 9.30. Between $7 and $9.32 is going to be a target price if the bull market continues. So now, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, guys, please be careful. We do not have confirmation yet that we are out of bearish territory. We're not out of bearish territory yet. We're not out of trouble yet. We're not out of the woods yet. Keep that in mind. And as always, until next time, peace.